Hello and welcome to Whisper English ASMR. Learn while you sleep. Lay down gently, close your eyes, and take a slow, soft breath in and out. Feel your body sink into the bed. Let your shoulders relax. You don't need to do anything. Just listen and drift. You are safe. You are calm. And English is coming to you naturally, softly and slowly. Now, imagine you are in a small, quiet grocery store. The lights are warm. The shelves are full. You push a small cart with soft wheels. Everything smells fresh, clean and comforting. You walk into the store. You need some food. You like apples, so you pick 3 red apples. You put them in your cart. You want some bread. You find fresh bread. It smells good. You smile. You buy some milk. The milk is cold. You carry it gently. You see cheese. You love cheese. You take a small piece. You go to the counter. You pay for the food. The woman smiles at you. You smile back. You say, "Thank you." She says, "Have a nice day." You feel happy. You go home. Let's talk about what you just heard. We use the present simple for things we do often. I like apples. That means you like apples always, not just now. You walk into the store. You buy some milk. These are all in the present simple. The verb is in its base form, like buy, want, need. Let's try a few. Say softly or think. I like apples. You want bread. We buy cheese. Now, let's practice the vocabulary. Apple, bread, milk, cheese. These are some things that you find in a store. Say them in your mind, slowly. Apple, bread, milk, cheese. Actions 2. Buy, want, need, pay. These are simple, soft, helpful words. Let's hear the story again. Listen for the present simple. You walk into the store. Walk is the verb. It's simple. You walk. You need some food. Need is the verb. You need food. You like apples. Like is the verb. Always true. You like them. You pick 3 red apples. You put them in your cart. You want some bread. You find fresh bread. You buy some milk. You see cheese. You take a small piece. You go to the counter. You pay for the food. You say, "Thank you." She says, "Have a nice day." You go home and you hear the verbs. Walk, need, like, pick, put, want, find, buy, see, take, go, pay, say. All in the present simple. So easy, so calm. Now, let's whisper some phrases together. Say them softly, or just think them. I like apples. You buy some bread. We want cheese. They need milk. I go to the store. She pays at the counter. Again, slowly. I like apples. You buy some bread. We want cheese. They need milk. I go to the store. She pays at the counter. You can listen again anytime you want. Each time it will be easier. Your mind remembers softly, slowly, tonight. You learned the present simple. You practiced words from the grocery store. Apples, bread, milk, cheese. You heard actions, So gentle, so calm. English comes to you in whispers. Your brain remembers. You are learning. And now it is time to sleep. Good night. Sweet